So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
Hi guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are having Wear It Out Wednesdays. Yay! So, nagbabalik ang ating series. 3 months ako hindi gumawa ng Wear It Out Wednesdays videos. But now we are back and our palette of the month is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture Eyeshadow Palette. So, this is a very controversial eyeshadow palette. Maraming tao ang may gusto nito, pero marami ring may ayaw kasi daw sa formulation, mahirap daw i-blend and all those stuff. So, ako, gusto kong gumawa ng iba't ibang looks using this kasi this is one of the most famous or more famous palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And hindi ko pa rin masyado napaglaruan tong palette na to. So, I'm excited to use this for this month's Wear It Out Wednesdays. But before we begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. So, if you want to know how I did this soft glam makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, taking the Maybelline Fit Me to prime my eyes. Okay, so this is our palette of the month and the first shade that I'm taking is Dawn, which I'm going to use to set the concealer. We're going for a parang soft, smoky eye look lang for today. So, what I'm going to do first is, I'm taking Roxy, this shade right here. It's like a peachy shade. And I'm gonna buff that all over my eyelids and on my crease. And then I'm going to take a bit of fudge, this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna use a parang this is a smaller blending brush to put that on the outer corner of my eyes here. So, I'm gonna create sort of a halo eye. Kinda lang. Not really a super intense halo eye. So, I'm going to drag this color here also. Papunta dito sa inner corner. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is stop muna ako sa eyes. I'm gonna do my brows off cam and then we will move on to the face. So, to prime my face, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. This is just a mini size. For my brows, I use the Sunnies Face Life Brow, yung gel and yung pencil. So, for foundation, I'm gonna use the Kojendo Aqua Foundation. For my concealer, I'm just gonna use also the Maybelline Fit Me. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Instamarc Mirage filter, yung powder detach. Okay, so isip ko kung tatapusin ko na yung eyes ko or face muna. Sige, tapusin na natin yung face. For bronzer, I'm gonna use this EB Cheek Set, yung bronzer detach. Gamitin ko na rin yung blush dito dahil tamad na ako maghanap. Now, for my highlight, I'm gonna use the highlight from my McGrath palette. This side, this is the one with like the pinkish sheen. So now we will finish off the eyes. So to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to buff Roxy, this shade right here that we used all over the eyelids. So I'm going to put that on the waterline. And then I'm gonna take a small brush like this, and I'm gonna take Fudge, the brown shade that we used, and I'm also gonna put that on my waterline. Okay, and then taking a brush like this, parang a small fluffy brush, I'm going to smoke it out, and then I'm going back to the brown shade, si Fudge, and I'm gonna put more on the outer corner of my eyes, and then taking my other blending brush, dipping back to Roxy, yung peach shade, and just blending everything out on the crease. And with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go through everything just to blend more. So now, to finish off the eye, well, at least the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this shade. It's called Electric. Parang siyang may specks of gold and green. So I'm just gonna use my finger and apply this on the center of the eyelids. So now I'm taking a brown eyeliner. Saan na siya? This one, I'm gonna use, this is Bing from ColourPop. And I'm gonna use this to tight line. And gagamitin ko rin siya sa aking waterline. Now, for my eyelashes, I'm just going to put on mascara and falsies. And I will be right back to finish off this whole makeup look. Alright, so lashes are on. Alam ko hindi sila pantay, hayaan mo na. Pero, ganyan lang talaga. Yan na talaga siya. Wala na tayong magagawa. So, for my lipstick, I'm just gonna use an oldie but a goodie. This is Maybelline Nude Nuance. Still one of my favorite nude shades. And we are done. So guys, this is our final makeup look. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong look na to. And hope you guys will subscribe so you can see the other looks that I will do using our palette of the month, which is again the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. So we'll have 3 more Wednesdays this March. And yan, I'm excited to really create more looks using this palette. So ito, sinimulan ko muna with a soft glam look. So yeah, sana nagustuhan nyo to. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!